You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name once and for all correctly. If you're wondering what the German pronunciation of the name is, and if you want to learn more correct pronunciations, make sure to stay tuned. We've got many more coming up. German pronunciation here, Steele, Steele. But in English, especially in the US, it's generally pronounced as steel. Yes, just like the metal, steel. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.